how do we earn money? By selling goods, by offering, or by investing. That's how we earn money. Here in this organization, how are we earning money? Offering. That means the quality of your service will determine the quality of the money you should be taking home. Amen? Amen. The quality of your service. So ask yourself, do I offer excellent service? Are our customers happy out there? Do we have multitude of customers? Branches right, left, and center. Chartered plane of the students that you are taking abroad, so that I demand for better pay. We should work towards that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? We do not make wealth. Hata kama tunasema tunatafuta pesa. Nimesema to make this wealth, nimesema shida ni kuambia neighbor tutafute pesa. It is either through selling goods, selling your services, or investing. Now, if you are selling your services, you either increase your skills or man hours. Which one is easier? Yeah? So if you want a better pay, if you are selling service, the only way to get more money from it, either you increase your man hours, if you are paid per hour, or your skills, the quality, the refined skills, so that you can earn more.